welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where we let information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about Chromebook C720 out here. और ये सीरीज की बात करें, the brand out here we talk about, then we can see that this was an amazing brand out here, offering great specifications, great range of gadgets out there. And the Chromebook out here, yes, if we talk about this Chromebook C720 out here or C720 out there, then this is definitely an amazing version. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here gives a huge range of specifications, a great range of connectivity, as well as it offers you really amazing platforms used out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you Intel Ceren chip system and the processor out here. Talking about the processing system, then Intel Ceren, or we can say the Intel's processing systems out there have been really amazing. Intel के processing system, चाहे वो core processor हो, Ceren हो या कोई और हो, there is really amazing version. But when you get to have these kind of gadgets, then either you get to have dual core processing or you get to have quad core processing. So these are basically seen out there. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant out here offers you in dual core processor, because processing system and dual core processing plays an important role out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out there, then we can say that this variant offers you a good InterSmart catch. Like InterSmart catch could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you 1.4 gigahertz clock speed. So a good clock speed is seen out, a good processing out there, dual core. InterSmart cache is seen out there. For the cache memory, if we talk about, then L3 cache memory of 2 MB installed size is seen. You get to have an installed size of 2 MB out there, so that is really an amazing version. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that storage plays an important role in every gadget. Yes, storage plays an important role. And talking about this storage, talking about this version, then we can say that the variant out here offers you a good RAM quality. Talking about the RAM, then we can say that it has got an installed size or installed RAM of 2 GB. Yes, installed RAM of 2 GB could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a technology of DDR3L. Yes, this is the technology or the RAM type used out here is DDR3L. That is really good. We already know that DDR4 or DDR3L are the most popular RAM type out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can see that it provides you a maximum support of also 2 GB. This is the maximum support size or the installed size out there. So you will not find any external help out there. But the configuration, or when we say about this variant, then we can say that the configuration is solidized out there. So there is a single slot out there for that. But does RAM alone make the storage worth it? No, RAM does not alone make the storage worth it. You get to see that the gadget out here offers you a good hard drive storage. Yes, you get to have a good hard drive storage. And talking about the hard drive storage, we can say that the gadget or the Ace Chromebook out here offers you 16 GB internal capacity in the hard drive storage. Yes, 16 GB internal capacity. It might look very small, but it is really good because it is in the form of SSD. You get to see SSD format out there, so that is really amazing. Apart from that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a great range of specifications in everything. चाहे वो उसकी screening की बात करनी हो, हम इसके किसी और process की बात करें, everything works very well. Now let us talk about this variant's look also. Talking about the look, it is really amazing look out gadget out there. It offers you a great range of screen size. Screen की बात करें, if you talk about the screen size, then it offers you 29.5 centimeter screen size. So this is really good. Screen size is definitely amazing. Screen चलो बहुत अच्छी है. Display किस टाइप की है? What kind of display does it has? Because display plays an important role out there. Talking about the display, then we can say that it offers you LED display out here along with other factions or the other factors out there. There are features seen out in this variant. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it is LED backlight display along with CompuView, HD resolution, anti-glance, and hyper. We can say DCP out there. So there are a lot of internal monitor featuring factors in it. तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसमें जो देखने को मिलती हैं, चाहे वो उसका कॉम्पी व्यू हो, चाहे वो उसकी बैकलाइट हो, चाहे वो इसका एंटी ग्लांस मैटर हो, रेजोल्यूशन की बात करें तो एचडी रेजोल्यूशन है. So overall it's really good. Now talking about this version, then image aspect ratio is also good. That is a default ratio of 16:9, which can be seen out in this variant. It has got really good resolutions, everything out there. But when we talk about these things, we talk about display, the output out there is basically because of the graphic processor. So let us talk about the graphical processor also. Talking about the graphics, talking about the graphical processor, then we can say that it offers you Intel HD graphics. Yes, Intel HD graphics could be seen out here, which is really good. Along with that, it has got an integrated webcam, offering you a good capturing capacity of 1280 into 720 resolution. Along with that, if you talk about the inbuilt systems out there, then the inbuilt stereo type speakers, inbuilt stereo type microphones could be seen out for the great audio quality and for recording purpose. Overall, it's really good version out there. Apart from that, when we talk about this variant, then we can talk about the input output gadgets inbuilt in it. That is the keyboard and the display. Keyboard, if we talk about the keyboard, it has got a A-spine keyboard out there offering all the specified keys and the functions out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a touchpad for the mouse control, gesture control out there. Good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, USB connectivities, audio input output jack out there. You get to see a good power jack, but no optical drive connectivity is seen. Still, we do not find optical drive connectivity in most of the gadgets nowadays. So you will not find any optical drive connectivity in this variant. Talking about this variant, then we can talk about the battery life also. Talking about the battery life, let us talk about the size of the battery out there. Then it is a 3-cell gadget out there. Yes, you get to see it is a 3-cell gadget offering you lithium polymer cell or the lithium polymer battery with a capacity of approximately 45 volts. So 45 volts is the capacity of the battery. So overall, it offers you approximately 8 to 9 hours work timing. Yes, 8 to 9 hours is the work timing offered out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, let us visit out this website. This is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com. An amazing website out here, offering you great range of products, great range of gadgets. Along with that, you also get to see that they are offering you worth investing price. They are pocketable price. They are not very expensive out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this website, that is just at click.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, you get to customize your gadgets accordingly. Like whatever thing could be customized, and if that gadget offers you customizability option, then you can customize your gadget. Now let us search this gadget out in the search icon. Let us search what are the specifications and things mentioned out in this search icon or the gadget out here. We can either write the full name or we can write some specified things. So I have written just the Ace out there. So this is the result out here, and talking about the result, it is with back T. You can see it is with back T. Along with that, you get to see a small description at the top, and you get to see that it offers you small description at the bottom also. Along with that, you get to see there is a product condition written. Yes, you get to see there is a product condition written. And when we talk about this condition, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Refurbished products and brand new products, if we talk about these products, then we can say they are quite same products out there. They have absolutely similar structures. We can say the same design, the same functionalities. As well as when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, then we can say that refurbished products are nothing else, or the certified refurbished products are nothing else, but they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, they are absolutely brand new like products. And talking about the conditions out there, then the products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, if you talk about the gadgets, then you can say that the gadgets are pre-owned. You get to see that the gadget has been owned once by a user out there. But when we talk about brand new, then they are directly from the company itself. You do not get to see the pre-ownization in the brand new products. Talking about the brand new products and talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the both the categories, both the gadgets out there. They are same structure, the same functionality, same design out there. As well as the refurbished products are tested and approved gadgets, and how they are done. So let us quickly see that. Talking about the testing and everything, before that we come to the market out there, like what kind of differences it offers. We already know that brand new products are absolutely new. They are directly from the company itself, whereas refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now what are these pre-owned gadgets? Talking about the brand new products, then they are from the company. That is the main source of the company out here, which launches that gadget into the marketplace for the users for the very first time. Now, once the gadget is launched in the market, it is released out in the market, then it has to be sold to the users out there. So it has been sold to the user. Now, user have this gadget. What happens that the gadget is not so appropriate that we don't want to use it. We want to resell it. We want to get rid of it, and we want to have another source, another gadget now. So this gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here, is resold to another marketplace. Uh, this reselling process, or we can say this whole process now, the extension of brand new, is known as refurbished process. Now this user sells it off to the marketplace to the new user. Now, in short, if you have to describe, then we can say that refurbished product is nothing else but the extension to brand new. Yes, whereas the brand new ends, the user ends out there with own of a gadget. It is launched out to another site, another place where it is again resold to another user. So this is known as refurbishness. Now, there is a difference out there. Where does the difference lies? The difference mainly lies out in the testing sites. It's not like the testing parameter differs. No, testing parameters are absolutely same. They are absolutely same. But you get to see that these gadgets out here offers you a different site for parameter on the sites for testing out there. Just like brand new, we know that brand new testing is done on various sites, because there are different sites before launching it to test about that gadget. Whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, if they have to be tested, they are tested on the same site, same place where they have been sold and going to be reselling their gadgets. So this is the place where it has to be tested. Now let us move to the testing parameters, because we know there is absolutely same design out here. Along with that, you also get to see that they offer you the same parameters, same functionality. So talking about the parameters, there are different testing parameters out there. Talking about these parameters, then we can say that the parameters are actually divided into two major categories, that are the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, you get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now, talking about these external parameters and internal parameters, the major difference lies out in the techniques. External parameters are directly through the eyes. We do not require any softwares or specialized tool out there. We can say that's a very quick process, like we just get through it. Whereas the internal parameters are slightly long process, like we can say it is slight time consuming as compared to external. Along with that, it requires internal components checking, it requires software, specialized softwares, it requires tools out there. So it requires a lot of things. Now let us talk about these parameters also, because parameters also plays an important role. And when we talk about the parameters, then we can say that external parameters require or the external gadgets, the design out there specifically. Externally, what we see in a gadget, externally we get to see that a gadget has a good display or not, buttons are intact or not. You get to see the power jacks out there, the jack systems out there, everything. Scratches, everything related to scratches has to be checked, like display has scratch or not, whether the backside had a scratch or not, or what. Every gadget needs to check out that. Apart from then it has checked out the integrated webcam. The webcam is working properly or not. The touchpad is working or not. Key are working on, like all the keys on the keyboard are working properly or not. Along with that, it has to be checked that whether it's taking time for shutting down and restarting. Like these kind of things has to be checked. Like the battery has to be checked in short. So overall, you can see that all the things which can be checked out through eyes, which are not time consuming, can be called in the or categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these require the internal components. Yes, this require the internal components out here. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that the internal components are like the CPU, GPU out there, chip system, internal graphic processor out there, the storage out there, RAM, cache memory, connectivities out there, speakers inbuilt in it, microphones out there, resolution out there, the data wiping and storage out there. So everything which are the internal basic components out there, they have to be checked. And these require actually some specialized softwares. For like connectivity, we need a specialized software to check the speed and the connections out there. So every internal components require a specialized thing to check its own. That's why we say it's slightly time consuming out there. Now when every category is checked, every parameter is checked, how does it happen and what happens after that? Now, once it is checked out, it is categorized as refurbished or certified refurbished. Both are same. Both the categories remain the same: refurbished and certified refurbished. Now, what happens is when you have a certified refurbished product or a refurbished product, they have to pass every category. But if they fail in any one, then it has to be renewed. Yes, it has to be renewed out there. It has to be replaced with the original part. You have to replace that particular part with the original part from the complete series. Now, once it is done out there, what are the benefits? Like why we are talking about this gadget? Why we are talking about refurbished products? There are few benefits associated with it, along with, or we can say, because of which it is slightly preferred from brand new. Now, when we talk about the benefits, then we can say that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, number one is the pocket friendly rate out here. Offered here is the pocket friendly rate of the gadgets. Because brand new products offers you slightly expensive, we can say pricing. Like we can say overall brand new are slightly expensive gadgets out there. Whereas the same gadget under the condition of refurbished is quite pocketable. There is a difference in the pricing out, so you get to have a savings also. Like if you have a difference of around 100 or 200, then also you get to save a lot. So when you have a brand new and a refurbished product, there is a huge difference in the pricing, so there is a great saving associated with it. But what happens to the brand new products is that they offer you 1 year warranty period. Along with that, you get to have a exchange policy also. But does refurbished product offer you the same? We can see that refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, it offers you 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. So that's why we say that refurbished products offer you a great variety, a great range of uh, things out there, because warranty bhi hai, less price bhi hai, savings bhi hai. You get to have a lot of things out there. So now moving on to the site back, let us try out that site once again and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So this is the site we were talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, from the name itself it is clear. Just at a click, you're just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. And when we talk about the gadgets, then we can say the gadgets out here are offered in a very good pocketable rates. You get to have a warranty period, as it already offers you 6 months warranty period is offered out here. You get to have a huge savings. You get to have great deals. Great deals means they are offering you your gadgets in a best pocketable deal. Along with that last section, like you get to have a large collection of your gadgets. Like there are n number of gadgets from reputed brands out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site out here offers you, along with that, free home delivery. Yes, this site offers you free home delivery. It offers you money back guarantee, that is the exchange policy out here. Along with that, online support system is offered out. Apart from that, it offers you COD, like free shipping के साथ साथ COD भी मिल रही है. You get to have COD and free shipping out here. Shipping की बात करें तो it might take a difference out there. It might be differing, like if you have customized your gadget, it might take slightly longer time. Whereas usually it takes 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time for Saudi. Coming back to the site, we can say that this site, which is justatclick.com, yes, the site justatclick.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, this site offers you customizability option so that you can customize your gadget. Now, how does customization occurs? Customization occurs through RAM customization, storage, or the hard drive storage, processing out there, all the things which could be customized or have been customized by the company. जो भी options available होते हैं, you can customize accordingly. So you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as you can check out whichever gadget you want to customize accordingly. Because if it is possible, then you can customize your gadget according to your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.